Hello students, welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. In this session, I am going to discuss question answers of the poem A Legend of the Northland by Phoebe Carey. So children, let's start with the first question. Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? See children, I have given you the model answers. With the help of these answers, you can write your own answer. So the answer of question number 1, it probably refers to any extremely cold country in the polar region, such as Greenland, the northern region of Russia, Canada, Norway, etc. Let's come to question number 2. What did Saint Peter ask the old lady for? What was the lady's reaction? He asked for one cake from the lot that she was baking. The lady thought that the cake that she was making were too big to be given away as free. So she decided to make him a smaller cake. Now children, let's come to question number 3. How did he punish her? Who is he? He is Saint Peter and her is the lady who was not willing to part with her cake. Now see the answer. He punished her by turning her into a woodpecker that would henceforth have to struggle hard for making its nest and to find food for boring into the hard wood for worms to eat. St. Peter said that such a hard-hearted and miserly woman did not deserve to be a human being. Now children, question number 4. How does the woodpecker get her food? The answer, the woodpecker gets her food by pecking and boring into the hard bark of a tree to find worms hidden inside it. Question number 5. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who St. Peter really was? What would she have done then? She was not knowing. Now see the answer. Maybe if she had known that the poor man standing outside was St. Peter himself, she would not have behaved the way she did. She would have made a larger cake for him to please him. Old people in those days were highly religious and would have gone out of the way to please the saints to earn their blessings. Children, let's come to question number 6. Is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is the most important? See the model answer. No, the story is not true, as I have told you earlier. It is a legend which has been passed down from one generation to another by word of mouth. The most important part of the story, which also conveys a strong message, is not to be selfish. The woman ought to have given the hungry man at the door the same cake as she had made for herself. Let's come to question number 7. What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? Children, a legend is a make-believe story which is told by word of mouth and is passed down as a story to be told to children. Such legends are told with an idea to convey a special message. This poem is called a legend because the action happened a long time ago when Saint Peter lived on earth and not in heaven as he does now. Now, children, question number 8. Write the story of a legend of the Northland in about 10 sentences. Children, this poem has already been explained to you. You know the whole story. And I hope everyone can easily write 10 sentences in their own words. So, that's all.